Hi and welcome to this in2loyalty training video. In this video we'll look at how to set up the general tab in your admin area. The first step is to log into your admin area. Now you can watch a video on how to log in this tutorial series, and you can also have the details on the welcome email that you received from in2loyalty. Once you've logged in, it'll come to this dashboard page. To enter into the settings mode, click on Settings. In the settings area, you set up your mobile loyalty site. You'll see here it consists of the general tabs along the top. These are the areas or pages. Here we have a box that shows what the mobile site will look like, and then we have the options on the right. In this tutorial, we're just going to look at the general tab. The general tab is where we set up the colors and logos. In other tutorials, you'll see how to set up your loyalty card, stores, custom page, and all the other tabs. So let's look at how to set up the colors of your mobile site. You'll see here on the right, it has all the different types of buttons and backgrounds that we have, and then we have a color option on the right. So to change the color, all you need to do is click on the color option, and then using your mouse, move, and it will then select that color and show you on the left display how that color looks. Once you're happy with the color, you can click on Save and it will save that color. Now you can use the toggle to change to a different color range, or if you know your exact color, you can type it in the RGB fields or in the number field. Once you have your color selected, you could then move on to another area. So as you move along, you just go and change all the different colors. For example, here I could change the background of the button, and I can just move my mouse to the color that I want. You can copy a color number if you want to then use it in another area, and simply paste that in, and then that will save. So move along and just have a play with all those colors until they're set up. Now for the background, you can choose whether you want to use a color or whether you want to use an image. To use an image, just simply toggle the button into the on position and then select the image. Click in the box and then just click on, use the file upload to browse for your file, and then click on the file to open it. That will then save that file. Now you can choose whether you want to show the file horizontally, whether you want to choose it vertically, or both. Generally you'll choose both. The other options is the header divider. Now that divides the top of the area to the bottom of the area. And you'll also see here we have a header background. So if we toggle that off, what it will do is make that background color go all the way up the top. If we toggle the header divider on, you'll then see that we have a little divider that's just more of a shadow line come through. Next we want to select the logo that will display. So click in the box, and again using your file upload, select the logo. Now the logo on this page you want to make sure is only a maximum of 155 pixels in width, and height you want to make sure it's no higher than 40 pixels. Once you have that logo selected, it will then display in the top left. You can use PNG files or JPEG files when uploading a file. The remaining option at the bottom is the icons option. Now icons are what are used to display on the client's phone when they save your mobile site to their phone's desktop or phone's main page. Now different types of operating systems on phones require different size icons, which is why there's 4 options here. So work out what icon you want displayed on the phone, and then save that in these different pixel ranges, and then click to upload those files. That will ensure that your logo is always displayed on your customers' phones, and they can click on it to simply open the mobile site. So that's all the areas of the general tab. In the next video, you'll see how to start using and uploading your products and offers and your loyalty card on all the different areas of this mobile site. Thank you.